Imagine a world where you can summon an assistant to answer your toughest questions, help you write essays, create stories, or even chat like a friend. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not, it's real, and it's here. Meet Chatgpt 3, the groundbreaking AI technology that's changing how we interact with machines. At its core, Chatgpt 3 is an AI language model created by OpenAI. Think of it as a super intelligent virtual assistant capable of understanding context, crafting unique responses, and surprising you with creativity. Whether it's helping you solve problems or brainstorm ideas, Chatgpt 3 does it all. And it gets smarter the more you use it. So how does it work? Picture this. Chatgpt 3 has been trained on an enormous library of information, including books, articles, and online conversations. It's like a student who's read every book in the library and learned how to hold a natural conversation. But here's the twist, it doesn't just repeat what it's learned. It generates completely original responses tailored to your exact question. What makes Chatgpt 3 truly exciting is its machine learning. Instead of following pre-programmed rules, it predicts what comes next in a sentence based on your input. For example, if you ask, "Tell me a story about a dragon," it creates a unique, engaging story right on the spot. The result feels natural, almost like chatting with a real person. But it's not just about chatting. Chatgpt 3 is versatile enough to help businesses with customer support, writers with creative blocks, and students with homework. It can draft speeches, debug code, and even teach you new skills. It's like having a 24/7 assistant that's always ready to help, no matter the task. However, like any advanced technology, it has its limits. While Chatgpt 3 is incredibly intelligent, it doesn't truly understand the world like humans do. It relies on patterns and probabilities, which means it can sometimes make mistakes or give misleading answers. Despite this, its ability to learn and improve makes it one of the most powerful AI tools available today. One of the most thrilling examples of its capabilities is its ability to tackle complex tasks. Say you're writing a novel and need help with dialogue. Chatgpt 3 can create realistic, engaging conversations between characters. Or if you're stuck on a challenging math problem, it can explain the solution step by step in a way that's easy to understand. The scale of Chatgpt 3 is what sets it apart. With billions of parameters, essentially the neurons of its digital brain, it's one of the most sophisticated AI systems ever built. And the best part? It's not locked away in a lab. Anyone can use it, making cutting-edge AI accessible to everyone, everywhere. Yet, the rise of AI like Chatgpt also brings important questions. How do we use it responsibly? How do we ensure it doesn't replace human creativity but enhances it? These are questions that keep tech leaders and philosophers awake at night. Even Elon Musk has warned about regulating AI to ensure it's used for good. The potential of Chatgpt 3 is mind-blowing. It's not just a tool, it's a glimpse into the future of human-AI collaboration. It's helping us work smarter, solve problems faster, and explore possibilities we never dreamed of before. The real question is, how will you use it? Let us know in the comments. What's the first thing you'd ask Chatgpt 3? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more thrilling insights into the tech that's reshaping our world. See you in the next video, where we dive deeper into AI and the future of innovation.